Hello and welcome. In this space, I'll be posting video tutorials to teach you the basics of programming and game development. As C++ is my programming language of choice, that is what I'll be teaching on my channel. These concepts will also apply to other languages, but there may be syntax differences. If you work with different languages, you'll quickly learn about syntax and how they change with different languages. Language syntax is another subject I may touch on in a video at some point, if there's enough interest in it. For the sake of showing you how to use what you learn in a real setting, most of these videos will teach you how to do things in Unreal Engine 5, as that is my preferred engine of choice. But the concepts you learn here can be carried over to other engines. There will be playlists to separate different subjects and levels of difficulty. If you're brand new to all this, I suggest starting with the playlist Math as it applies to programming. Or if you feel quite comfortable with math, move on to the playlist Basics of Computer Science, Ones and Zeros, which will cover everything from how computers compute to classes and class-based object-oriented programming. These first two playlists may sound boring, but trust me, they're going to be needed once you get into the main course of game development. It will be assumed that if you're watching any other video from any other playlist on this channel, that you already understand the basics of math and computer science, and I will not slow down for each individual time that I say something that relates to them, or else each video will end up recovering every subject that has ever been covered. I will, however, slow down on new subjects, explaining as we go and working through things. Additional playlists will be larger in scope and have their subjects depend largely on what people show they're interested in. You may see multiple playlists on behavior trees, for instance, with each one covering different kinds of behavior tree uses. Or you may see standalone playlists on things that have broader use, such as events, or functions, or macros, or interfaces. There are way too many different subjects for me to touch on during this introduction, and I've been going on for a while. But if you take a look around, watch some videos, I think you'll get the general idea. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the channel.